Hello everyone, let's learn Bahasa Melayu by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 3. I'm gonna explain about Bahasa Melayu interrogative. Chapter 3 or Bab 3. Nouns, interrogative. The interrogative form is indicated either by inflection or declarative sentence or by placing the particle kah to a word in a declarative sentence. The word that has kah attached to it has the most emphasis. So usually we use kah. We attach to some word to emphasis, and also we use this particle for a question word, what, where, who, and so on. Hence, the interrogative sentence, is that medicine, may be rendered, itu ubat, itu that, or is that ubat medicine. Itu ubat by inflection, that is by raising the voice. Itu ubat, or itukah ubat, emphasis on itu. Kah attached to itu, so it emphasis on itu. Itukah ubat, or itu ubatkah, emphasis on ubat. Because kah attached to medicine, ubat. Itu ubatkah. But this is very formal. Usually we only found in writing or very formal speech. So how do we use in conversation in both formal and informal situation? We don't say kah. We say ke. So another expression, itu ubat, itu ke ubat, itu ubat ke. You will listen to this in outside or when you go everywhere in Malaysia. We use ke, not kah. Itu ke ubat, itu ubat ke. Similarly, the sentence, is this a lamp, may be rendered, ini lampu, or ini ke lampu, or ini lampu ke. The interrogative sentence, what is that, and what are those, are similarly rendered, itu apa, or apa itu. It should be noted that the position of a word determines its emphasis. The earlier it occurs, the more emphasis is attached to it. In conversation, apa itu, what is that, and apa ini, what is this. The words itu and ini in sentence are often contracted to tu and ni respectively. We short itu just tu, ini just ni, in conversation only. So, apa itu, you can also say apa tu, apa ini, apa ni, or ni apa, tu apa. Words to remember. Nouns. Anak kunci means key. Anak means a child, children, kid. Kunci, key. Microphone, microphone. Katil, bed. So ada part of katil, tilam. Tilam, mattress. Bantal, bantal is pillow. Bantal peluk is the long pillow. Peluk means hugging, hug. Ibu kunci, padlock, before anak kunci. Anak, child. Ibu, mother. Ibu kunci, padlock. Another word for padlock in bahasa Melayu is mangga. Mancis, matches. Perakam video, videotape recorder. Perakam, recorder. Rakam, record. Perakam, recorder. Pintu, door. Here, pintu kaca or pintu kaca. Kaca means glass, glass door. This glass, eyeglass, kacamata. But usually we say cermin mata, cermin mata. Kacamata or kacamata. Mata means eyes. Kaca, glass. Eyeglass. Cermin mata. Cermin means mirror. Mata, eyes. Cermin mata cantik. It means a pretty or beautiful eyeglass. Beautiful eyeglass. Kipas, fan. Tangga, ladder or stairs. Like this, tangga besi. Besi means iron or metal. Iron, stairs. Tangga bambu. Bambu means bamboo. A bamboo ladder. Tangga lipat means folding ladder. Lipat means fold. Next, sampul surat, envelope. Sampul, envelope, surat, ladder. Bunga, flower. Cakra padat, CD. Other words, apa or apa. But we use apa. We pronounce apa more than apa. Apa, what. Bukan, no or not. Bukan is placed before noun and pronoun. Okay, this plate or this picture is familiar in building about the usage of tangga. Jangan gunakan lift semasa kebakaran. Gunakan tangga kecemasan. Jangan, do not. Jangan is a forbidding word. We use to forbid something. Don't. Jangan gunakan, guna. Guna means use. Lift, elevator. Semasa, during. Kebakaran, fire. Kebakaran, base word is bakar. Bakar means burn, burning. Gunakan, use. Tangga keselamatan. Escape staircase. Tangga means stair or ladder. In this case, it means stair, staircase. Keselamatan from the word selamat. Selamat, safe. Keselamatan, safety. Safety, stair. But here, they translate escape staircase. Same here. Jika berlaku kebakaran, jangan gunakan lift. Gunakan tangga. Jika, in case, or it means if. Berlaku means happen or occurs. Kebakaran. Kebakaran, burn or fire. In case of fire, jika berlaku kebakaran. If happens, the fire. Jangan gunakan, don't use, lift, elevator. Gunakan tangga, use staircase. Arahan, bomber, Malaysia. Arahan is the order or instruction from the word arah. Arah means order, instruct. Bomber. Bomber is a firefighter. Fire brigade. Malaysia. Malaysia, fire brigade. Pelan kecemasan. Emergency fire escape plan. Pelan, plan. Kecemasan, emergency. Kecemasan, base word is cemas. Cemas is like the worry feeling, anxiety. Same sentence here. Jika berlaku kebakaran, in case of fire, jangan gunakan lift. Do not use elevator. Sila guna tangga. Sila means please. Please use the staircase. Jangan gunakan tangga. Do not use staircase. Conversation. Ini apa? Or ni apa? What is this? Ini anak kunci. This is a key. Ini apa? What is this? Ini mancis. This is a matches. Or these are matches. Itu apa? Itu berus. What is that? That is a brush. Itu apa? What is that? Or what are those? Itu sampul surat. That is an envelope. Or those are envelopes. Ini lampu ke? Is this a lamp? Bukan. Ini bukan lampu. Ini bakul. No, it's not a lamp. This is a basket. Bukan, ini bukan lampu. Ini bakul. Itu kipas ke? Is that a fan? Ya, itu kipas. Yes, that is a fan. Or those are fans. Itu jam ke? Is that a watch? Or is that a clock? Jam means watch or clock. Itu jam ke? Bukan. Itu bukan jam. No, that's not a clock. Itu apa? What is that? Itu gambar. That is a picture. Or that is a photograph. Ini bunga ke? Is this a flower? Ya, ini bunga. Yes, this is a flower. Now let us doing exercise. Column 1, column 2. Ini bunga. This is a flower. Or these are flowers. Ini disket. This is a disket. Ini gambar. This is a photo. Or this is a picture. Ini kamus. This is dictionary. Or these are dictionaries. Itu, that. Itu kerusi. That is a chair. Or those are chairs. Itu lampu. That is a lamp. Itu bakul. That is a basket. Itu surat. That is a letter. Ini pisau. This is a knife. Or these are knives. Ini jam. This is a clock or watch. It's jam, not jam. Jam. If jam means jam, the spread like strawberry jam. We said jam, strawberry. The spelling J-E-M, jam. Jam, J-A-M, clock or watch. Jam is jam. Jam, strawberry. If traffic jam in English, in bahasa Malaysia, kesesakan lalu lintas. Kesesakan, jam, from the word sesak. Lalu lintas, traffic. This is official or formal. In conversation, just say jalan sesak, traffic jam. So, jam. Jam, clock or watch. Ini loceng. This is a bell. Ini majalah. This is a magazine or these are magazines. Itu tingkap. Those are windows, or that is a window. Itu katil. That is a bed. Itu pintu. That is a door. Another exercise. Let's do this together. Number 1. Is this a compact disc? Ini cakera padat. Ini ke cakera padat? Ini cakera padat ke? Number 2. Is this a microphone? Ini mikrofon. Ini ke mikrofon? Ini mikrofon ke? Number 3. Is this medicine? Ini ubat. Ini ke ubat? Ini ubat ke? Number 4. Is that a video recorder? Itu perakam video. Itu ke perakam video? Itu perakam video ke? In conversation, it's suffice or enough for you to, if you want to refer to any recorder, just say perakam. It's enough. Itu perakam. Itu ke perakam. Itu perakam ke? Is that a recorder? Next, number 5. Is that a door? Itu pintu. Itu ke pintu? Itu pintu ke? Number 6. Are these matches? Ini mancis. Ini ke mancis? Ini mancis ke? Number 7. Are those pencils? Itu pensel. Itu ke pensel? Itu pensel ke? Number 8. Is this a magazine? Ini majalah. Ini ke majalah? Ini majalah ke? Number 9. Are those pictures? Itu gambar? Itu ke gambar? Itu gambar ke? And last, number 10. Is that a basket? Itu bakul? Itu ke bakul? Itu bakul ke? So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you in the next video.